guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a creamy fruit salad. This recipe reminds me of my aunt because when I went to see her, she would make it for us. So this really is for my aunt. So the ingredients are any types of fruit you would like. We have bananas, apples, some honeydew melon, strawberries, grapes, and mangoes. You'll need 1/4 of a cup of powdered sugar, some roughly chopped nuts, 7.6 ounces of cream. You'll need 1 cup of heavy cream, and a bowl and something to mix with. So let's get started. So the first step is you're going to take your heavy cream and you're going to whip it, not too much, but just very lightly. Okay, we'll start whipping our heavy cream. Okay, so once you have whipped it for a little while, this is the thickness you should have. So now we are going to add our powdered sugar. And we're going to mix that in. To add our cream to our mixture. Again, 7.6 ounces. Okay. So now we are just going to mix it again. Nice and fluffy. Okay, so now we are going to add in our fruit. So we'll take this out. Okay, so now we're going to add in our fruit. Again, you can add whatever types of fruit you like. So now we are going to mix in our fruit with our cream. This is one of my favorite types of fruit salad. So once you have mixed it in nicely, we can add some nuts. If you don't want to, it's okay. It's totally optional. So we'll mix that in with everything else. Looks very good. Going to transfer it into a nice bowl. Here's the finished result. You can just top it off with some nuts. So, I hope you enjoyed making this, and Louder Mommy, this is for you. Bye. So since I am fasting, these two are going to be my taste testers. How is it, guys?
It's so good.
It's good.
Thank you.
Hope you thought it was good too.